Ultimate Guide to Brazilian Waxing for Women. What you need to know. Hey everyone. Welcome to our Ultimate Guide to Brazilian Waxing for Women. Whether it's your first time or you're looking for some expert tips, this video will give you everything you need to know to get the best results from your Brazilian wax. From what to expect, how to prepare, and post-waxing care. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is a Brazilian wax? Unlike a bikini wax, which removes hair along the bikini line, a Brazilian wax removes most or all of the hair in your pubic area. That can include everything from the front, sides, and back. Some people choose to leave a small strip or triangle of hair, while others prefer to go completely bare. The choice is yours. Hydrating, exfoliating, letting hair grow to the right length, taking pain relief options. Preparation is key to making your waxing experience more comfortable and effective. First, make sure your hair is about 1/4 inch long, around the size of a grain of rice. Too short, and the wax won't grip. Too long, and it'll hurt more. A few days before your appointment, exfoliate the area to remove dead skin and avoid ingrown hairs. Drink plenty of water and avoid alcohol or caffeine right before your session. They can make your skin more sensitive. When you arrive for your waxing session, your technician will start by cleaning the area and applying a pre-wax oil to protect your skin. They'll then apply warm wax in small sections and quickly remove it, pulling the hair from the root. It might sting, but the pain only lasts for a moment. Don't worry, it gets easier the more you wax. Let's talk about managing the pain. While Brazilian waxing can be uncomfortable, there are ways to make it more bearable. You can take an over-the-counter pain reliever like ibuprofen about 30 minutes before your appointment. Try deep breathing or distracting yourself with music during the session. And remember, the first time is usually the most painful. It gets easier with regular sessions. Now that you've made it through your wax, it's time for aftercare. Avoid tight clothing for a day or two and use a soothing cream or aloe vera to reduce any redness or irritation. Keep the area clean and exfoliate gently to prevent ingrown hairs. With regular waxing, you'll notice that the hair grows back thinner and softer. How often should you get a Brazilian wax? Every 3-4 weeks is ideal, depending on your hair growth. Regular waxing can help minimize pain and keep your skin smooth for longer. That wraps up our ultimate guide to Brazilian waxing for women. We hope you found this video helpful and that you feel more confident about your waxing experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more self-care tips and beauty guides.